So I wanted to ask you also about how the microscope opened up seeing spermatozoa as well.
Yeah, the most important theoretical sort of background to the use of microscopes is about reproduction, and there are two main theories of the time. One is called epigenesis, which is the idea that during the growth of the embryo, various forms of organization emerge over time. So that after 9 months, the baby emerges with the attributes of a fully, the basic attributes of a fully grown human being. But at the beginning of just after conception, really, you don't have that kind of organization. It gradually emerges over the 9 months. The other view is that somehow and in some form, that the fully formed human is already there, probably in the male sperm or whatever the male parts are. They haven't seen anything yet, and the process of pregnancy or gestation is the gradual emergence of these already organized parts into its final form. And there's no observational way of telling which is which. The work of William Harvey, for example, who looks at the embryos of does in the king's property over a long period of time. I mean, it leads William Harvey, using a magnifying glass, to really confirm the theory of epigenesis, which is the claim that there aren't these fully formed adult parts already in the early stages of gestation. With the microscope, and particularly in the late 1670s, the work of Robert Hooke and Anthony van Leeuwenhoek show for the first time the existence of human sperm. And it's a wonderful discovery. It's a momentous discovery in the history of science, because it changes the way people think about the relationship between the female contribution and the male contribution to conception. And Leeuwenhoek himself does pioneering work trying to look at what it is that makes the human sperm able to infuse conception. And he has these, again, wonderful diagrams that only Leeuwenhoek himself could do, because he's got the highest magnifying lenses. He's got these comparisons between spermatozoa of rabbits, goats, dogs, and then ultimately human beings. And there's a wonderful line in the very first publication of Leeuwenhoek's work, which says that he had examined his own sperm, but that he had produced this sperm in the process of attempting to conceive. So it was all, from a religious point of view, all kosher and nice.
Thank you so much. That adds a great perspective to learning about reproduction and how it's not obvious what's going on. Thank you so much for your time.